Natural drink recipe for better digestive health. Simple morning routine supports colon function. 6 months ago, my friend Maria struggled with irregular bowel movements and constant bloating. Her doctor suggested dietary changes, but nothing seemed to help consistently. Then she discovered a traditional remedy her grandmother used in Mexico. Within weeks of drinking this natural blend daily, Maria's digestive comfort improved dramatically. Today, I'm sharing this time-tested recipe that supports healthy colon function naturally. Maria's story began like many others dealing with digestive issues. She felt sluggish, uncomfortable, and frustrated with her unpredictable bowel patterns. Conventional solutions provided temporary relief, but never addressed the underlying problem consistently. Digestive health depends on multiple factors including fiber intake, hydration, beneficial bacteria, and regular movement. The colon or large intestine processes waste and absorbs remaining water from food. When this system works efficiently, we feel energetic and comfortable. This traditional recipe combines ingredients known for their digestive supporting properties. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and a pinch of sea salt. The preparation is remarkably simple. Heat the water until it's comfortably warm, not boiling. Squeeze the lemon juice directly into the water, ensuring you remove any seeds. Add the apple cider vinegar, honey, and sea salt, stirring until everything dissolves completely. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before eating anything else. The timing is crucial because it allows the ingredients to work without interference from food digestion. Lemon juice provides citric acid and vitamin C, which may help stimulate digestive juices and support regular bowel movements. The pectin fiber in lemons can also help feed beneficial gut bacteria, according to research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may help balance stomach and promote healthy digestion. Some studies suggest it can support the growth of beneficial bacteria while discouraging harmful microorganisms in the digestive system. Raw honey offers prebiotic compounds that feed good bacteria in your colon. Unlike processed sweeteners, raw honey contains enzymes and antioxidants that may support overall digestive health when used in moderation. Sea salt provides essential electrolytes that help maintain proper fluid balance in the intestines. Proper hydration is crucial for healthy bowel function and preventing constipation. Maria noticed changes within the first week of using this recipe. Her morning bowel movements became more regular, and the uncomfortable bloating that plagued her afternoons began to subside. By the 3rd week, she felt more energetic throughout the day. The drink works by supporting your body's natural digestive processes rather than forcing dramatic changes. It helps maintain proper hydration, provides nutrients for beneficial bacteria, and may stimulate natural cleansing mechanisms. Consistency is essential for seeing lasting benefits from this natural approach. Prepare the drink fresh each morning and consume it at the same time daily. Your digestive system responds better to regular routines than sporadic interventions. Some people may experience increased bowel movement frequency when starting this routine. This is normal as your system adjusts to the new stimulus. Reduce the amount by half if effects seem too strong initially. Individuals with acid reflux or stomach ulcers should be cautious with lemon juice and vinegar. Start with smaller amounts to test tolerance, or consult your healthcare provider before beginning this routine. Always speak with your doctor before making significant changes to your digestive health routine, especially if you have existing conditions or take medications that affect digestion or blood sugar levels. Proper fiber intake remains crucial for colon health. Aim for 25 to 35 grams daily from vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes. This drink supports but doesn't replace the need for adequate dietary fiber. Regular physical activity also promotes healthy digestion by stimulating natural bowel movements. Even a 10-minute walk after meals can significantly improve digestive function over time. Hydration throughout the day supports the morning drink's benefits. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting for activity level and climate. Proper hydration keeps waste moving smoothly through your system. Maria's success encouraged her family to adopt better digestive habits overall. They increased vegetable intake, reduced processed foods, and became more mindful of eating patterns that support gut health.